Hello.
Hello.
It's recording already. Your turn or my turn?
I can't remember. Go you.
Doink. Are you ready?
Yep.
Number 1 is...
Ninja Boy!
Can't do that, that's racist. That's not nice. You gonna read it?
Ninja Boy. Rapidash.
Uh-huh. And what type of Pokemon is it?
We've had that one before. Fire Horse Pokemon. It gallops at nearly 150 miles per hour, which, with its mane blazing ferociously. It races as if it were an arrow.
That one. Persian. That one's a new one though.
Yan Mega, which is the camera's in my way. I've got to stick my head around it.
Ogre.
What?
Do that. It's so much easier.
Ogadana Pokemon. This six-legged Pokemon is easily capable of transporting an adult in flight. The wings on its tail help it stay balanced.
Oh.
Claw Fossil Anorith. Ooh, shiny. Got to do the shiny dance. Shiny, shiny.
Clink.
So unimpressed. Maddie. Bergmite. Fungus. Joltik.
Well, that was a bit disappointing.
Is Joltik like an electrified, parasitic insect?
Yeah, it's an electric bug Pokemon. Oh, attaching Pokemon. But I think it's pretty much an electric bug Pokemon.
It's like a tick, but
Yeah.
electric.
Yeah, pretty much.
My turn.
We can open 4 packs, seeing as none of those were new.
Okay. But then we'll get through them quicker, and then the Pokemons will be over quicker.
Yeah, but then we can open up other things.
Okay.
Like the stuff that's over there.
Okay. Doop-a-dee-doop-da-doo. Da-da-da-da-da.
We have got a captivating Pokepuff. Oh, okay. Your opponent reveals his or her hand. Put any number of basic Pokemon you find there onto your opponent's bench. Was it Driftblim?
I think we've had that one before.
Yeah. Yeah, we've definitely had that one before. Ooh, I think that's a new one.
We have had that one before.
Have we? So it's an Iron War Pokemon. It's Cobalion. No, I don't think we have. Prevent all damage done from this Pokemon by attacks from basic Pokemon during your opponent's next turn. The Pokemon cannot use Quick Guard during your next turn. It has a body and heart of steel. It works with its allies to punish people when they hurt Pokemon.
Oh, that's nice.
It's a vigilante Pokemon. Oh, Ninja Boy!
Which we've already had. But that's a shiny.
I know.
Do the shiny.
There you go.
Rufflet.
Rufflet, which we've had before. We've had that one before. Is it Croconock? Krogok, sorry. Marie. Litwick.
Which is like one of the psychotic Pokemon.
And Hoppip. So we've got, I think, 2 new ones in that one.
And
No, 3. 3 new ones.
Had a shiny.
Yeah, but I think we may already have that shiny.
Let's do a shiny.
Yeah. I need to put these cards away at some point.
Don't be miserable.
Okay. I really want that Pokemon. I don't know what it is though. I think it's so cool.
It's a Pokemon.
Pokemon.
It's where the accent's in a different place.
Oh.
It's where the accent's over the N rather than the E.
So what does a French Pokemon sound like?
Pokemon.
Oh.
La Pokemon.
Okay, are you ready for the first one?
Yep.
Is that still on the screen?
Ready!
Doink!
Azumarill. I think we've had that one.
Yeah, we have.
Aqua Rabbit Pokemon. The bubble-like pattern on its stomach helps it camouflage itself when it's in the water. Lampent. I think we've had this one.
Yeah,
This is a
we have.
psychotic one.
That one.
Ampibom. Have we had that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Avalug.
Ooh, shiny.
Shiny. Shiny,
It's a shiny Tangela.
Bergmite. Oh, but there's our
Yeah.
evolution. Fungus, we've had that one. Joltik, had that one. Litwick, had that one. Ponyta, had that one.
Oh, that's a bit of a bummer. I think we've got that one in shiny already.
Really? But at least
Yeah.
it's shiny.
You,
What if we had a pack and it was all shiny?
that would be really cool.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
And I imagine we get like 1 billion views.
I don't think we would. I think we'd probably have 7 rather than the 4 we normally get.
It's not impossible. But you've now jinxed it, it's never going to happen.
It's not my fault.
It is your fault.
It's the voices in my head, they put the idea there.
Yes, Daenerys.
I'm not blonde.
Neither is she, actually. Oh god, it's Aurelius.
Oh, that's the one that looks like
The
Oasis.
Yeah, it's the Oasis Pokemon.
I don't
Or was
think...
it Blur?
No,
Whichever one
no,
not Gap.
Oasis had like the sort of more shaggy fringes and the weird like sort of trench coat.
Greedy Dice, which we've had before.
Not trench coats, what do you call them? I forget.
I don't know.
D what?
Pro
I
Pass.
think we've had that
Yeah,
one.
we have.
Because it's the evolution
Because
of
it's Nose
Nose
Pass.
Ooh,
Ooh.
shiny, shiny, shiny.
Actually, I get Fletching Deer. Well, maybe we haven't had that one actually. The hotter the flame sac on its belly, the faster it can fly. But it takes some time to get going. No, I think we have had that one before.
I think so, but I'm not sure
No,
if we've had it shiny before.
Meowth. Got. Chimchar.
Yeah, we've had that
Got.
one because it's
Yeah,
the cog
it's
one.
cute one in the cog, isn't it? Nose Pass.
Ooh.
So we've got like the evolution there.
Litleo
Litleo.
and Sneasel,
Yeah, so. Oh
which
well.
is a sharp claw Pokemon rather
So
than a...
I think we've got what? 4 more left? I mean, we still need some like 30 cards to complete the pack.
Really?
Yeah. So.
Do you reckon we're going to do it?
Oh, I don't think we will.
Oh.
Oh well.
We'll have to wait to the end and then...
Thanks for watching.
Bye!